Miss Pierogi, the princess, having her dinner on the couch. Is that good? Good job. Good girl. Is that tasty? Oh my goodness, you're enjoying yourself today. So starting from the corner. Oh my goodness. You just enjoy, okay? Then, when they're done eating their dog food, they're going to have a chicken breast each. I cooked it a little too long. Usually I like to keep it a little raw, but it's still juicy. It's just cooked. Yeah, burrs. King hasn't had his dinner yet. He's just lounging on the couch, being a pretty boy. Yes, you are. You're the best boy. Yes, you are. Oh, and you're the other best boy. Yeah, you're the other best boy. Yes, you are. Hi. Here. Would you like me to try to feed you? What's that? Have some. Not in the mood yet? All right, I'll put it on the table then. Oh, you're so dirty from outside. Look at that. He's just sleepy. Pierogi's going to town. Well, later, guys. Have a great day.